What's up, you guys? In today's video, the project is to change this starter on 2012 Honda Accord. These cars on 2.4 liter engine, they known to have a bad starters at some point of its life, so that's what we're doing today, and I'm gonna show you how to do it the easy way. Okay, so before you touch anything, as far as what we're doing, changing the starters, which is located underneath intake manifold, you want to disconnect your power. So remove the battery, then we're gonna remove this air intake housing. All right, next step, we're gonna disconnect some of these hoses that connect to the intake manifold, some of these wires over here, disconnect the throttle body hose, and some hoses over here. Alright guys, before I move on, I just want to point something out. So on this throttle hose, intake hose, you have coolant lines, one right here and one down here, or both of them, but I just could disconnect this one. Well, as soon as you disconnect it, the coolant is gonna come out, so you'll have to, what I did, I plugged them with 10mm or 12mm bolts, one on the top and one over here, as you can see. Just something to note. Next, we're gonna loosen up the intake manifold. Alright guys, I just dismount this intake manifold. As you're gonna pull out, be careful, because you have another hose over here that connects in the back. From here it goes right here, so you gotta take this off right here, and then let me show you something else. So, and then you gently gonna pull up, and this is what it looks like. Let's come over here. You also have this bracket, so instead of taking these two bolts, it was easier to loosen up this bolt here. And by the way, these bolts and some nuts that holds this manifold, they are 12mm right here. Okay, so there's that, and right here is your starter. So we're gonna clean all this up. This gasket here, make sure you check for the gasket, which located here on manifold. Normally you don't have to change it. Look like that. So if it's bad, I would recommend changing it, but these are still good, so I'm not gonna worry about it. It's just for the air. Alright, let's get some of these components, some of this wiring out of the way, and get this bad boy out. Alright guys, I want to point out the wire that goes to the starter right here. This bolt is 12mm. Okay, now there's this other one. Let's see if I can zoom in. This one here is a part of the host starter. This one is 13mm, and use one of these short ones. Okay, and then the bottom one is 17mm. Also, you can use a socket or one of these long ones. We just now got the starter out the car, out of this engine. You also want to check, make sure the flying wheel teeth are not damaged. So make sure you inspect that. Let me show you the old and the new one. New one, old. You could see on the old one, this T right here is pretty damaged versus the new one. So that's the issue. The issue in this car was as soon as you go started, it will just grind right away before it even cranks. It was weird. So we're gonna see if this will fix our issue in this car. Alright guys, I just now complete everything. I put it back everything where it's supposed to be. We got a new starter. Here's the old one. It was, by the way, it's a CarQuest lifetime warranty from Advanced Auto Parts. About 150 bucks after $40 core charge. That's how much it's gonna cost for the part. So let's see how she sound. Oh yeah, no more grinding noise. Well, that fixed the problem. She's still purring. Well boys, we done it again. Very nice. Please like this video, give a big thumbs up. Ciao.